One of the females has mud on her hand. At first she tries to wipe it off with leaves, but when that doesn't work, she does something completely unexpected. She's lapping water from a hole in the tree trunk. She climbs higher to take a seat, then cleverly uses the water held in her mouth to wash her hands. This family member is cleaning its teeth with a twig. Another camera has revealed a female delicately weaving herself the perfect treetop nest. It's a rare and privileged glimpse into this family's world. A view a cameraman like me could never capture.